Yo, check out my pantry in the bathroom, because you never know when you might need some backup deodorant. I'm just preparing, guys. What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. It's Ron here, and I'm just gonna walk you through my daily routine. It's Monday. Yesterday was Easter. I definitely had some, let's just say, foods that I probably shouldn't have eaten to maintain a leaner body type. But anyway, had a great time with the family. So today it's Monday. For my daily routine, I typically, you know, I wake up. I normally just kind of sit in the bed for maybe a good minute before I actually get out of the bed. I just kind of like collect my thoughts, regulate my mind a little bit before actually hopping out of the bed. And then head into the kitchen. Usually, I do have an office, but I tend to work at the kitchen table. So, you know, I check the YouTube channel performance, look at analytics, check my email, you know, just do some basic housekeeping and checking in. And then I go in for my, I guess you say, my pre-workout routine. I normally just make a quick drink. Pre-workout, I like to work out in the morning. Really helps me get my day going. Not to mention, working out is probably the most funnest thing that I do each and every single day. It's the one thing that I really, really look forward to. So the sooner I can get in to actually train and work out, the better. Obviously, some things, you know, can get in the way that would make that get delayed. But yeah. So anyway, so I do my pre-workout, get the fluids going, get my mind right. And actually lately, I've been meditating in the morning. I haven't been doing it every single morning, but meditation is really good. I was doing it for a good 2 years at one point, and it lowered my stress, it shifted my focus, and it really helped me out tremendously. So anybody who's thinking about meditation or you haven't done it before, I strongly consider it. It's very good for you. I can't say anything negative about it. So if you wanted to incorporate that into your daily routine, I highly suggest it, or I highly recommend it. And I was doing as little as 15 minutes a day in the morning. And I also had this journal, which is really awesome. If I can remember, I'll drop a link in the description so you guys can check it out. But literally, my bad, I got allergies right now a little bit. And I'm usually not affected by allergies, but I don't know. Been outside a lot more this summer, and maybe it's affected me just a little bit. But anyway, I'm not even taking anything for it because it's not that bad. But I just felt like I was gonna sneeze. But as far as the journal is concerned, the journal is freaking awesome because it gives you like a motivational statement every day, because it's a daily journal that you actually write in. So it gives you like a motivational statement every single day. And that's a really cool thing to start your day off with. And then the way the journal is designed is you're supposed to do it in the morning and before bed. So, but me, I normally I would do it in the morning and also before bed. But basically it would ask you, you know, a couple of questions in the morning and a couple of questions at the end of the day. Long and short of it, it's kind of like, hey, what would make today awesome? And then at the end of the day, it's like, all right, what good things happened today? In a nutshell, that's pretty much what you're covering in that daily journal. But one of the things I really liked about it was that it helps you to focus on what you want versus what you don't want. And a lot of people, including myself, I used to do this a lot, and I sometimes do this you know, even to this day. You think about what you don't want to happen, and that is, in my opinion, not the way to go about getting the things that you want to happen in your life. So I'm working on adding that back to the routine, back to my morning routine, but sometimes I'm just so busy, I don't make the time for it. Working on that though. Anyway, so today, once I finish looking over a couple more emails, I'm gonna have my little pre-workout drink. I'm gonna hit legs today. I'm pressed for time, so I won't go out to the gym today. I'm gonna work out at home, and I'll share a little bit of that workout with you guys. If you guys are brand new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, join the family, join the channel, and drop me some comments down below. What do you guys want to hear from me? hit the like button on this video. I really appreciate the support, you guys. And check out my previous videos. I'm just sharing all sorts of things that I've learned over the years: training, finance, mindset. All of these different things are parts of a whole. My brother used to always say that. He always says that now, and it's true, you know. So it starts here. So you got to get your mindset right, and, you know, having the belief and the faith that you can accomplish things that you can't even imagine that you can accomplish. I know you guys can do it. So you got one life to live. Max it out. All right, guys, so I'm about to go hit the gym, or work out in the house, I should say. And looks like my girls already beat me to it. What's up, girlie? So, like I said, we're gonna do a leg session today, and I'm gonna share some of this with you guys. All right, let me just set my camera up. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of leg extensions, just to kind of get the knees warmed up a little bit. Warming up is crucial. Most people don't take the time to warm up and get ready before they train. And a lot of times that's how you get injured, by not being properly warmed up. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So anyway, guys, just wanted to show you a little bit of my workout here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, my daily routine. Drop me some comments down below. If you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel. Also hit the like button. I appreciate that, you guys, and I will catch you on the next video.